Have you ever wondered, what if the biggest mistake you're making isn't what you eat, but when you eat? What if your body already has an incredible system designed to repair and protect itself, but your daily habits are keeping that system switched off? Here's something that may surprise you. Your body contains remarkable stem cells. These are your natural repair team. They help maintain healthy tissues. They support muscles. They help your body recover from everyday wear and tear. And they work around the clock. But here's the warning. Modern lifestyles can interfere with many of the natural processes that support healthy metabolism. Too much processed sugar, too many refined carbohydrates, constant snacking, poor sleep, lack of movement. Over time, these habits may contribute to excess inflammation and reduced metabolic health. So here's today's challenge. Try one simple day, just one day of making choices that work with your biology instead of against it. Could one day transform your life forever? Maybe not by itself, but one day can become 1 week. 1 week becomes 1 month, and 1 month can completely change your future. Today, I'll show you a science-informed routine that may help support healthy metabolism, improve your body's natural repair processes, and make it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Let's begin. Your body is incredibly intelligent. Every second, millions of cells are working. Some are producing energy. Some are carrying oxygen. Some are repairing tiny amounts of damage. Some are replacing old tissues. This is happening even while you're sleeping. Your blood transports nutrients throughout your body. Your pumps tirelessly. Your arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood. Your brain coordinates everything. Your nerves send messages faster than you can imagine. This is one amazing machine. But every machine needs the right fuel. Now let's talk about insulin. Insulin is not the enemy. It is essential. Its job is to help move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. The problem isn't insulin. The problem is asking your body to produce too much of it too often. Imagine eating every 2 hours. Breakfast, snack, coffee with sugar, cookies, lunch, soft drinks, another snack, dessert, late-night chips. Your body barely gets a break. High insulin levels can make it harder for your body to access stored fat for energy. That's why constantly eating may work against your goals. Now, let's discuss inflammation. Inflammation is part of healing, but chronic inflammation is different. When it becomes long-lasting, it can interfere with healthy aging and overall wellness. Many lifestyle factors influence inflammation: sleep, exercise, stress, smoking, alcohol, ultra-processed foods. The good news? Healthy habits can support your body's natural defenses. Another fascinating process is autophagy. Think of it as your body's recycling program. Old cellular components are broken down. Useful parts are recycled. Waste is removed. Researchers continue studying how lifestyle factors such as fasting and exercise influence this process. Then there are stem cells. These remarkable cells help replace worn-out cells in certain tissues. Scientists are actively researching how nutrition, exercise, sleep, and metabolic health may influence stem cell activity. The research is exciting, but it's important to remember that no single food or routine can magically regenerate your body overnight. Real health comes from consistent habits. Now here's the practical routine. Simple, natural, effective. Step 1, delay your first meal instead of eating immediately after waking. Drink water first. Stay hydrated. If your doctor says it's appropriate for you, allow your body a little time before breakfast. This may help support your normal metabolic rhythm. Step 2, eat protein first. Choose foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, fish, lean chicken. Protein helps you feel satisfied longer. It also supports healthy muscles, phosphorus. Step 3, add color. Fill half your plate with vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, peppers, tomatoes, blueberries, Berries provide natural compounds called polyphenols. Many vegetables contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Step 4. Choose healthy fats. Don't fear every fat. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, extra virgin olive oil. These can be part of a balanced eating pattern. Step 5. Move after eating. Don't sit for an hour. Walk. Just 10 to 20 minutes. Your muscles love movement. Movement helps your body use glucose more efficiently. Step 6. Strength training. Lift something. Resistance bands. Body weight squats. Push-ups. Light dumbbells. Strong muscles improve metabolic health. Muscles are one of your greatest allies. Step 7. Prioritize sleep. Your body performs much of its repair work while you sleep. Aim for consistent, high-quality sleep whenever possible. Sleep supports your brain, hormones, recovery, and overall health. Step 8. Reduce added sugar. Read labels. Many foods contain hidden sugar. Too much added sugar can contribute to excess calorie intake and poor metabolic health. Step 9. Stay hydrated. Water supports circulation. It supports energy. It supports countless chemical reactions inside your body. Simple, powerful. Step 10. Make it a habit. This is the biggest secret. Not perfection. Consistency. Healthy habits repeated every day create lasting change. You don't need a miracle. You need momentum. One healthy meal, one healthy walk, one good night's sleep. Then repeat, day after day, month after month, year after year. That's how transformation happens. #motivational ending. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. More energy, less stubborn fat, a stronger heart, better circulation, sharper brain, healthier muscles, more confidence, more vitality. It doesn't begin with a miracle pill. It begins with one decision, one meal, one walk, one healthy habit. Try this routine for 1 day. See how you feel. Then do it again. Remember, your body is always listening to the choices you make. Feed it wisely. Move it daily. Sleep deeply. Protect your health. Because the greatest investment you will ever make is in yourself. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-based nutrition and healthy aging videos. Until next time, take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live.